Hardwood enhances a room. Its dazzling looks make it a desirable floor. Yet in some rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, the fear of moisture can cause real wood to be bypassed for a different product with a wood look. Wipe away those concerns with Resista Plus H2O Hardwood. Experience visually stunning planks coupled with superb performance in any space. Among its many features is waterproof technology. This revolutionary flooring keeps liquid spills on the surface, a glass of water, a leak from the sink, or a pet accident, allowing them to be cleaned quickly. Penetration is prevented by tight locking planks and a protective sealant, so there's no damage to the integrity of the boards or the subfloor below. Because Resista Plus H2O Hardwood is waterproof, it won't crack, cup, or swell. It's further enhanced by a rigid stone polymer composite core. This creates an enhanced hardness rating for extra durability, resisting dents, scratches, and wear. It's unrivaled protection in an incomparable floor. This remarkable hardwood is kid-friendly and pet-friendly. It can withstand little foot or paw traffic and the inevitable accidents that seem to follow. It's flooring made for real life. It may carry advanced security, but Resista Plus H2O doesn't lack the essential features which make hardwood appealing. Distinctive grain pattern variations, rich texture options, wide plank design, striking colors. It provides refined character that complements any decor and captures the eye. It's designed to deliver lasting beauty and value that cannot be duplicated. The unsurpassed elegance of genuine wood, matched with waterproof technology. Discover Resista Plus H2O Hardwood at your local ProSource Wholesale showroom.